NSA and gchq target Tor network that protects anonymity of web users. Vertical line World News. Vertical line The Guardian. Turn autoplay off. Turn autoplay on. Please activate cookies in order to turn autoplay off. Jump to content S. Jump to comments C. Jump to site navigation 0. Jump to search for. Terms and conditions 8. Edition, UK USO. Your activity. Email subscriptions. Account details. Linked services. Profile mobile. About us. About us. Australia team. Contact us. FAQs. Press office. Jobs. Terms of service. Privacy policy. Advertising guide. Guardian Weekly. Subscribe. How to subscribe. Guardian Weekly. Email services. Ebony. Android. .gchq control CSD width. 25 rem exclamation point important. Padding. 0. Float. Right. Input.gchq search button background color. Number sign PDDDD. Border color. Number sign PDDDD. Input.gchq search button hover background color. Number 999. Border color. Number 999. News. World. Sport. Comment. Culture. Business. Environment. Science. Travel. Technology. Life and style. Data. TV. Video. News. World news. The NSA Files. Series. Glenn Greenwald on Security and Liberty. Previous vertical line index. NSA and gchq target Tor network that protects anonymity of web users. BioSense top secret documents detail repeated efforts to crack Tor. BioSense, a funded tool relied upon by dissidents and activists. BioSense core security of network remains intact, but NSA has some success attacking users' computers. BioSense Bruce Schneider. The NSA's attacks must be made public. BioSense attacking Tor. The technical details. BioSense. Peeling back the layers with egotistical giraffe. BioSense document. BioSense Tor Stings presentation. BioSense full document. BioSense Tor, the king of high security, low latency anonymity. Share. Tweet this. Email. James Ball, Bruce Schneider and Glenn Greenwald. The Guardian, Saturday, October 5, 2013 00.50 AEST. Jump to comments. One technique developed by the agency targeted the Firefox web browser used with Tor, giving the agency full control over targets' computers. Photograph. Felix Clay. The National Security Agency has made repeated attempts to develop attacks against people using Tor, the popular tool designed to protect online anonymity, despite the fact the software is primarily funded and promoted by the U.S. government itself. Top secret NSA documents, disclosed by whistleblower Edward Snowden, reveal that the agency's current successes against Tor rely on identifying users and then attacking vulnerable software on their computers. One technique developed by the agency targeted the Firefox web browser used with Tor, giving the agency full control over targets' computers, including access to files, all keystrokes and all online activity. But the documents suggest that the fundamental security of the Tor service remains intact. One top-secret presentation, titled Tor Stings, states, "We will never be able to de-anonymize all Tor users all the time." It continues, "With manual analysis we can de-anonymize a very small fraction of Tor users," and says the agency has had no success de-anonymizing the user in response to a specific request. Another top-secret presentation calls Tor the king of high-security, low-latency internet anonymity. Tor Aeros, which stands for the Onion Router Aeros, is an open-source public project that bounces its users' internet traffic through several other computers, which it calls relays or nodes to keep it anonymous and avoid online censorship tools. It is relied upon by journalists, activists and campaigners in the US and Europe as well as in China, Iran and Syria, to maintain the privacy of their communications and avoid reprisals from government. To this end, it receives around 60% of its funding from the U.S. government, primarily the State Department and the Department of Defense Aeros, which houses the NSA. Despite Tor's importance to dissidents and human rights organizations, however, the NSA and its UK counterpart gchq have devoted considerable efforts to attacking the service, which law enforcement agencies say is also used by people engaged in terrorism, the trade of child